Grabe. Lately, iyak ako ng iyak. Nasagot na yung tanong.
Sulat na po. Ayan na po. Ayan na! Freaking joke. Freaking joke. Oh my God. Mga chismosa. Oh, mga chismosa. Dito na guys. Oh, mga chismosa. Oh my God. Pinapagalita kami sa lobby because we're too loud. Excited din si Kurt. Mamaya na po. Oh my God. Kunti lang fish. Yung totoo po, letter nyo ba yan?
Pieces of minerals, at least minerals.
I like that joke. Ayun na yung letter, guys. That's the letter. That's the letter, guys. It's a yes. It's a boy. We have a lot of fruits. Yes.
How did you know he loves chips? He does. He really does.
Hello po, Ate Tess.
Ano, Sacramento? Can I pay now?
Sa Sacramento po. They said, I want to buy the letter for 1,000. Ooh!
It's sealed very well. You cannot see. Good job, Mrs. B.
Mrs. B? What?
It's wishful thinking.
Okay, wishful thinking. Mrs. B, oh my God, did you guys get married? Charot. Charot lang, guys.
Yeah, we got to put it out there, right? Manifest. Manifest. Let's manifest it. Yes.
Thank God it's my off from 2 nights, 12 hours duty.
Wow.
Excited na si
December.
Chris Lawrence, guys. It's very
He
excited.
goes, you guys are making me blush.
What? Look who's here! Oh my God, guys! Kinikilig na itong nga to. Ay, na. Saturday.
Bukas Friday.
25. She's so pretty, guys, no?
Sino yung screenshot kanina lang tapos yung nakaganon daw.
Ay, teka ate, screenshot ka, one.
Ganito lang kasi yun.
Ay,
Interview sa'yo si Ma'am Rodel. Narinig ko. kasi yung boses, parang sa mga
Yes, guys. I will go, but not for a long time kasi I can't go live dahil we have more shows coming up, so we're gonna require not to go live as much. But yes. What? Basahin na daw!
After $22.99 bayad namin every
Kaya nga. Ayun pala, ate, level 2. Mag-level 1 ka muna. Why? Suka diba?
Pagdalang ka namin ate. Anong burger? Hindi na, pagpunta mo na, bigyan kita. In out ba? Ayaw na matapos ng blush. I think next month.
gusto kong mag-uwi ako ng
Yung baby ko na.
Or you want in and out? Which...
Uwi ako mga six pack. Pero walang cheese. Yung cheese galing sa
Diba?
Hindi, kasi hindi mo naman, kasi gusto namin yung ano ate, yung walang voice na ginagawa nyo. Ate, gusto namin, gusto kasi namin yung walang voice na.
Alam na alam. Nakakatuwa naman to. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mo ay ni? Ano yung mo ay? Ano yung mo ay ni? Hindi.
Grabe. Lately, iyak ako ng iyak. Nasagot na yung tanong. Ang aking kasagutan ay Tagalog siya. Mahirapan ito. Mahal na Ginoong Mr. B. Sobrang lalim naman ng Tagalog na to. I think I need to just take a picture of this and then chat GPT this thing, bro. Naglalaman ng mga salitang namumula sa kaibuturan ng inyong ng iyong damdamin. Ano? Ano daw? Tagalog tayo. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano daw? Nais ko rin ipapatid sa iyo at ngayon dumako tayo sa pinakamahalagang bahagi ng iyong liham. Lubos na gumagalang binibining Miss B.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.